Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So Christmas is approaching and I decided to come up with a little bit of holiday spirit. These have been stolen since last year, so they're a bit smooshed. But so this month's Birchbox isn't actually a box. They kind of surprised me with this. It's a nice little pouch. I really like the color. I like the rose goldy accents. I like the green. I was very happy. I was very excited. I have too many boxes already. I don't know where to store them. I'm thinking of throwing all the boxes away, to be fair. So this was a refreshing new thing that they came up with, and I was very happy with it until I opened it and I saw the products. That's where my excitement just disappeared. So this month they're all excited about the fact that they gave us 7 products instead of the normal 5. Problem is I have a few repeats. So it's like, okay, it's 7 products, but it's things that have come in other boxes. So I'm not very happy with it. So without further ado, let's just get started with what's in this month's Birchbox. The first item that we got, and it's something that I'm wearing today, is this eyeshadow palette, and I must say this is one of the things that I'm most excited about this box. It is a 5 eyeshadow palette from Forgive Me, Suzie. Now I tried to look at this brand online and I found it really weird because I could not find it anywhere. I cannot find any reference for it. I cannot find their website. The only place I see them selling these eyeshadows is in the Birchbox website, so I don't know. It says it's a Birchbox exclusive, but I figured that they would have other products from this brand, but I could not find this brand anywhere, so I don't know what's going on. Anyways, the eyeshadows are really buttery, really creamy. They seem to be very good quality. I'm using them on my eyes today. I love the colors. It is a good quality product, so I am happy about it. I just find it really weird. I can't find it anywhere. The sleek Birchbox exclusive eyeshadow palette hosts 5 autumnal shades ranging from a striky grey brown and dusky rose to a warm copper. 100% cruelty-free and vegan, these velvety, soft, matte, metallic and shimmer shadows leave you spoiled for choice and are perfect for party season and beyond. The next thing on this box, which I haven't actually used yet, is this eyeshadow brush. Now I'm pretty sure, I forgot to look for it to be honest, but I'm pretty sure I got a similar brush like this, not with these colors. These colors are to match the pouch, which I really like, but I'm pretty sure I got a similar brush like this, although it's fine, everybody can use more brushes. There's not such thing of too much brushes, there probably is. It's probably someone out there that has way too many brushes, but still, I can always use a new brush. It is very soft. I think it's synthetic, but to be honest, I have no idea. Try to find it, but it doesn't say if it's synthetic, but I think it is, because it's vegan. So, I keep doing this, I'm sorry, my hair is just doing its own thing today. The perfect partner to your palette, our very own vegan and cruelty-free brush, can be used to add depth and definition, and will blend and blur eyeshadows together seamlessly and evenly. Soft dense packed bristles make it ideal for use with both cream and powder formulas, aka a must-have in any makeup kit. I like it, I'm quite happy. Now the next product is something that I like, but I've had similar in the past, and it's the Daily Concept Mother of Pearl Sponge, Soap Sponge. I've had the kohl one before, exactly the same, just it was the kohl one, and now they decided to send me the Mother Pearl one. So this is what I mean, that it feels like I'm having some repeat products already with the brush, now with this one. I don't know, like I'm still happy with it because I really like the kohl one that they sent me before. I haven't used this one, I'll be honest, but I'm pretty sure I will like it. How this works is that half of it is soap and half of it is a sponge. So basically you can just lather yourself up using just one thing, like the soap comes in the sponge, like it's infused in the sponge, if that makes sense, which is a really good concept. I don't really use sponges, to be fair. I think they're quite polluting, but they're useful, so it is nice. It does. The kohl one had a very nice smell. This one has a lovely smell as well. I haven't used it, I'm sorry, so not so much of a very good review I have going on here, is it? But I can say at least the kohl one was nice, so I'm sure this one will be as well. Suitable for both face and body, this 2-in-1 soap sponge combines a radiance boosting cleanser with a gentle exfoliator, so you can skip a step in your routine. ideal for busy winter months. Wet the sponge, lather up, and then rinse off. The mother of pearl will gently purify and boost skin texture. So basically they're trying to sell this up as in, you know, you waste less time because you don't have to put the soap in the sponge because it's already there. Well done, Birchbox. Next, I have something that I might not like, and I'll explain to you why I say I might not like, and it's the Percy and Reed's Reassuring Firm Session Hold Hairspray. Now, I've always used the Elite hairspray. It was what my grandmother used, so I decided to use it as well. I always use that, so I don't really use any other hairspray brands, and in fact I haven't used this one still. I feel like Birchbox at a certain point has just given us all of Percy and Reed's products because almost in every box comes something from them. This is one of the issues that I'm starting to have with Birchbox, is that I wanted Birchbox to explore new brands and to explore new products, and with them giving me product from the same brand every single month, it's not that I'm not grateful for it, it's not that I don't like their products, which, well, to be fair, I'm not amazed by their products, but I would like to explore other brands and not just give me a product from the same brand every single box. Well, I'm exaggerating, but still, I have so many products from this brand already that I feel like I've gone through almost all their things, which can be a good thing, but personally, I wish I could have things from other brands to try out as well. Whether you choose poker straight locks, flowing curls, or a perfectly placed top knot for your Christmas party, a spritz of hairspray is the best way to keep the lock on lockdown. This ultra-fine formula delivers a seriously strong hold without leaving your strands flaky or crunchy, plus is the perfect size for your handbag. That is true, it is luggage friendly. Next, I have the Ritual of Ayurveda shower oil. I think that's how you say it. Now, I'm not sure, but I think I've got this on a previous box. I think this might be a repeat. At least if it's not a repeat, I am sure I've got Rituals products before. Again, the same with Percy and Reed. I feel like Rituals, it is a very good brand, but it's featured heavily in Birchbox. Like, they give us a lot of products from Rituals, which, again, it can be a good thing, but it feels like they don't branch out that much. It smells very, very divine. It's very luscious anyways. It's a very good product. It's just my issue with they're repeating the same brands over and over again. This luxurious in-shower moisturizer deeply pampers, hydrates and nourishes your skin, enriched with Indian rose to soothe and sweet almond oil to moisturize. It transforms into a silky soft foam when it comes into contact with water, leaving your skin beautifully soft and delicately fragranced. The next to last product I have is this Joliderm nose patch. I have a personal issue with these things. These things never work with me. I've tried several brands. I've tried like multiple different types of patches for the nose. This is supposed to remove your blackheads. It didn't work with me. But to be fair, they never do, so I'm not gonna say it's this product specifically. I'm just gonna say that maybe I'm doing something wrong. I don't know, but they don't work, so this one didn't work either. But when it comes to blocked pores, sometimes you need a more targeted treatment to get the job done. Enter this fast-working skin purifying patch after cleansing with your nose and apply to your skin. Leave for 10-15 minutes, then gently peel off and wave goodbye to blackheads and congestion. Again, still didn't work for me, but I did it like the instructions said, but oh well. And now the last thing, they gave us something a little bit extra, and they gave us candy. I haven't tried it out before. I want to try it on camera to see if I like it or not. I'm having flashbacks from my trying Japanese candy. I've just recently saw that video again when I was trying Japanese candy and I could not open a single packet. Now I'm having flashbacks of that again. I have managed. So this is the candy Kittens, more than just a pretty taste. Wild strawberries. They're supposed to be vegan, I think. Yeah, vegan recipe, gluten-free, palm oil free. They're supposed to be super healthy. I also got a discount code for them, so if I like them, I might buy more. I probably won't, but this is what they look like. They're wonderful little kitties. They're very sour. And they're good. They're good. A bit sour, but they're good. That was it for this month's Birchbox. I try to make my videos a little bit shorter because I feel like I ramble a lot and ain't nobody got time for that. So I'm trying to make my videos a little bit more precise, compact. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below if you have tried any of these products before. Let me know if you want me to make a video about my issues with Birchbox. I have a lot of them, to be fair. Let me know if you are a subscriber of Birchbox and you're having these issues as well. Subscribe if you're not already. Let's be friends. Put a like on it and I'll see you next time. Bye!